I found out exactly what the issue is. Ah, boy. Alright, so these are things that make someone feel like they're an idiot. So, the problem for this Interceptor 650, of course, was me. And, it's interesting, I found something on the internet saying most of the motorcycle issues are actually the owner. I'm the owner, and I'm the problem. So, let me show you exactly what was wrong with this. This is embarrassing. So, right here, let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. So, right in there, the screw for the terminal was too long, and it was hitting against the base, which was probably grounding the bike and not causing it to start. So that was the issue. So I changed to a shorter screw, and well, I'll just show you exactly how it works. All right, I'm gonna do this. Fuel pump comes on, and after I do this, it's still running. Putting it down. Let's see where it ends off at. Alright, so, I'm going to see what it gets down to. I'm going to take it for a ride, and then that'll really tell me what's going on. If it's reliable, or if it's not. I'm going to put it back on the charger just in case, and we're going to go from there.